by surrendering to the plan of Allah and surrendering to what Allah has chosen for me, I would draw closer to Allah indeed. But something interesting is, drawing closer to Allah Almighty does not mean you've understood fully what Allah Almighty has decreed for you or why He does certain things. Do you know, a lot of the things that have happened in your life that seem negative or even positive, you will only understand those things or the bulk of those things after you've passed on. When Allah Almighty, when you have the opportunity to ask, what was this? What was that? Or you see the reward of it or the consequence of it, then you understand, okay. For example, a person who's terminally ill, the reward of just being patient, Allah Almighty says, the reward of just being patient, Allah Almighty says to us through the blessed lips of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that if you had to see that reward for the patience you bore upon a sickness that you were made to endure, you would ask Allah Almighty to have kept you sick for longer in order to have gotten such simple and easy rewards that were so great. For example, if I were to tell you, and it's a very different example, if I were to say, can you work for me carrying the pots and plates, for example, and I'll give you £1 million. Or if I told you, I'll give you something good. While you're carrying the pots and plates, you're probably upset. What, does this guy really think I'm worth carrying? I have a PhD and I'm carrying pots and plates up and down. And then when the day comes to an end and all the pots and plates are put and I give you £1 million, what will you tell me? Can I come tomorrow? Agreed? Or can I continue with the pots and plates all night? Agreed? Why? Because you see a massive reward for something that was, hey, it was okay. It wasn't that bad. You know? So this is Allah. Allah Almighty knows. He knows what He's doing. Allah is greater than your problem. Success lies in turning to Him. Turn to Him through what? Through prayer.